What's up guys, hope you guys are doing well today. So in this video I'm gonna explain what's happening with Apex, the payout, the refund, uh, the message you responded to, and then I'll talk about my game plan and everything else, right? Before I start, I just want to say thank you guys for all the new subscribers and the support on this video. It really means a lot for me. So yeah, thank you guys for the views and the subscribers. So let's get into it. Let's start by the payout. The payout, right there. So Apex ended up paying me out, so that's very good. So right there, plain, because I am international. Apex Trader Funding paid you 28k USD for your hard work and all that, right? So now, if we convert this into CAD, I just got payout big, right? 38k 600 CAD, very nice payout. So I'm really grateful for that, and that's very good that they pay me out. Very, very good. Now, one thing, if you guys are international, so for example in Canada, if you're getting paid USD, it's better to just create a USD bank account. So for example, open up a US debit card, right? Which I did, but I didn't want to risk all this amount getting any type of problem, right? So I just requested to my CAD because I know it's gonna come in. At the end of the day, it's not that big of a problem, but the conversion rate, for example, they paid me 1.36, and they should have, if for example I send it to my US card and then convert it myself or just leave it there, doesn't matter, I would have gotten 39k. So for a 500 difference, it doesn't really matter at the end of the day, but yeah, a 500 extra dollars could be a nice dinner, but it doesn't matter. All right, now the response. So payout, that's good. The response. If you guys want to pause it. But in recap, they told me, congrats on everything. We understand that there are a lot of questions about the transition, sorry, and that's completely expected. But right now, the best thing you can do is to just wait for a follow-up. I mean, what do you expect me to do? You guys took all my accounts. I can't even trade with you guys anymore. So anyway, long story short, I'm just waiting to hear from them back. Meanwhile, I can trade the accounts. Not that I have any accounts to trade with them, but yeah. And weirdly enough, they refunded me around 11, 1, 2, 3. I don't want to go too far, there's info here. But they refunded me some accounts. I don't even know why. Now maybe those accounts were the evals account. I had like $20 drawdown left before I blow them. The evals one, maybe that's what they refunded, but I don't even know. So yeah, as of right now, I can't trade with Apex. It's been a week and some days anyway, until further notice, so I'll let you guys know. But most likely they won't respond. It doesn't take a week to respond to my email and then tell me I have to wait, right? So that's done. As you guys seen by the last short right there, if you guys didn't check it out. I opened 5 take profit 50Ks and 5 lucid flex 50Ks. I'll explain why. And if you guys were wondering, with my Apexes I had 25k 25k TPTs. I ended up full porting them, and obviously I didn't win. And yeah, that was that. So take profits, you guys already know, daily payout. The only problem is just the, what's it called, intraday buffer once passed. Well, once this is passed, best thing, right? As long as you're consistent and disciplined, daily payout coming in, and yeah, basically nothing else to say. Very good firm, take profit. And the rules is basically like a live account, right? Now, I was looking around for prop firms. All other prop firms, either the other prop firm that has daily payout would be My Funded Futures, which has better rules than Take Profit, but there's some more rules I just didn't want to get into, so I decided to open Take Profit for daily payouts. Take Profit would be like the main big money printing, right? Now, for other firms, I looked around. All other firms, minimum 3 to 5 winning days, if that's only 3 accounts or 5 accounts, right? But long story short, again, you need to build a buffer. Then after 5 winning days, you can only request 50% of your profit. What is that? Come on, guys. So as of right now, Lucid Trading, best firm, they're Lucid Flex, for consistent payout, easy payout, and best rule. And I'll get into it why. So my Lucid accounts, I'll treat them more as a consistent payout. How can I say that? Lucid Trading would be more like my consistent money coming into my bank account. Take Profit, once everything is passed, the trading buffer is passed and everything, I'll trade those as I usually do, but Lucid is the safest bet. And I was chatting with the AI, it told me even after 5 payout, but with my luck maybe 2 payout and I'll go live, doesn't matter. Let's say they deny you, which they will, Tradeaway will deny me. They don't mind keeping me unfunded, that's what they said. You guys can go check it out. They will let you stay unfunded and just let you trade, but you still have to follow the rules, right? For example, if you go live, yes, you can have daily payout and all that, but here, I'll just keep on stacking up. Lucid Trading, very good, but maximum that you can make unfunded, the maximum payout is 2k per account. Now you guys may say, oh, that's very good. It's good, I'm happy, but in the long term, no. I'm keeping this video raw, so let me just think what I wanted to say. So yeah, it's very good if you guys want to make 10k a month and everything, but if you want more, right, you guys have to either go live and then you can do whatever, daily payout, and just start risking way more, or have multiple prop firm, right? So yeah, but let me get into this. 50k Lucid Flex, so $100, very cheap. Consistency 50%, I can pass it in 2 days. Drawdown, end of day, everything else, like always. Max contract, 4 minis. No activation fee, no daily loss limit, no nothing. Unfunded, still, no consistency. Well, on eval you have 50%, but that's just for the 2 minimum days. No consistency, no daily loss limit. Max size 4 minis. Minimum days of profit to request a payout is 5 for 150. So 5. Scaling plan, yes, but the way I trade I don't even care because I'm always risking the same amount, which is always less than 2, which is equal or less than 2 minis. So yeah, but now the good thing is, unfunded, everything above 50k you can request up to 2k. What this means, you don't need to build a buffer. All the other firms, you need a buffer, then everything above the buffer you request, right? So that's what I'm saying. Lucid, easiest way to make consistent money. So no buffer, instantly. Let's say you make, because there's no consistency, let's say Monday, Tuesday, I win for a 1 to 2, risking 500, I'm already at 2k, which is the max that I can request per account. Then I just have to farm 3 remaining days for 150. This could be 1-to-1 RR on a random trade. This could be me risking $50 on a random trade 4, I want to 3. A lot of stuff, right? Or just risking normally. But if you're already at 2k and that's the max, you don't need to put more money, you know, at risk. But anyway, only way to breach the account is the second you hit 48k on your balance, you're out. So this means minus 2k, right? So it doesn't matter if, let's say, I'm at 52,000, right? So the account started at 50, I'm up 2,000. Let's say I lose the 2,000, so I'm back at 50. The account's still there. The second you hit 48k, now you're out. So this is so insanely good. And yeah, honestly, if I could go live with this, with Lucid, it would be just the best thing. Because on some live, I'll just build up a bigger buffer, start risking more, and that's it. But anyway, as of right now, for consistent and safe way of printing money, Lucid. And then on the side, I have my take profit, right? Payout to live 5, but like I said, they told me that it didn't matter, so that's what they said on the thing. So yeah, I think I said everything I have to say. I talked about the update about Apex, I received my payout, I thanked you guys, I talked about my game plan with Lucid and take profit, and yeah, and I just calculated everything. Right now I made more than 6 figures in payout with all the profit, so congrats to me, I guess. That's very nice. I'm up 120k. I don't know if it's USD or CAD. I think it's CAD though. And payout from prop firms, so 6 figures. So that's really nice. But yeah, now I'll work this week on passing the accounts, start requesting more payouts, and then at some point we'll see what's gonna happen, right? Now for daily recaps, I don't think I'll do daily recaps yet. I'll drop recaps here and there though, not short, but actual videos, and you know, explain my thought, right? Trade recap. So yeah, if you guys want to see that, subscribe, subscribe. And yeah, that was pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys later.